Meaning of idea.
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 Idea. The term idea refers to a mental concept or thought that is formed in the mind, which can be a product of imagination, memory, or reasoning. Ideas can be simple or complex, and may range from creative ideas for art and literature, to scientific theories and solutions to practical problems. They can also be individual or shared among groups of people. Ideas are essential for innovation, progress, and problem-solving in both personal and professional settings. Overall, ideas are the building blocks of human creativity and ingenuity.